Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. This is how to make tamarind sauce at home, also known as ukwaju. So you start by preparing your tamarind like you can see here, and these ukwajus I got them from the market, and you're going to remove them from the pods like you see me doing on the video. And the next step guys is to clean thoroughly, just to ensure that you get rid of any soil and any other dirt. So I went ahead and cleaned mine 3 or 4 times just to ensure that they were fully cleaned. And after cleaning the ukwaju, go ahead and add into a clean bowl, add 1 cup of water, and then you're going to cover it and soak for 30 minutes. Here are the other veggies that I used. I also used carrots, and I used 3 carrots that I cut into circles and then boiled them like you see here, set aside to cool down. And the ukwaju at this point was ready, so just go ahead and remove the unwanted parts, the seeds like you see here, and your hands are going to help you do this process. You're going to get rid of everything like you see here, and moving on to the next step. So take a sieve just to get rid of the seeds, as you're not going to be needing those, and I used a spatula just to ensure that I got everything from the sieve. And here is the tamarind water that I got from the soaking the ukwaju. So I just went ahead, took a blender and added all the other veggies. I added the carrots, I used hohos, I used coriander, and I also used pili pili and 1 onion. So just went ahead and added them into a blender, and then for the blending purposes I used the tamarind water. And you can change up the veggies that you're going to use for your ukwaju. This is what I like and this is what I prefer to use. And for the chilies, I just used 2 of them. I did not want mine to be too hot, so I added the tamarind water and then went ahead to blend this mixture. And after blending, some people like to use it as is, but I like to put mine on the stove just to simmer for a couple of minutes, just to thicken and to have a cooked taste. But if you like, you can use yours at this point. So I went ahead, put mine into a sufuria and then let it simmer and simmer down for like 5 minutes just to get rid of the excess water. And 5 minutes later, the ukwaju sauce was ready. It was perfect. I loved mine with some bajias like I said, and you can serve yours with viazi karai. And thank you so much for watching. It is that easy to make tamarind sauce, and I hope you give this a try. Bye bye.